Good afternoon. Well, we was out there getting it today, and it was hotter than booyakaka out there. So we decided to take a little break and come out to our little swimming hole, our little slice of paradise right down the road. Got the kids out there playing with Mike and Lissa. Mike and Lissa and the Drifting Dreamers kids, they just got here. Hello. Me and Addie's been here for about 30 minutes. All right, let's see what you got.
And watch me after.
Geronimo!
Again. I wasn't ready. Excuse me. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Boom.
Watch, Papa.
I'm watching.
Let me get Serenity where she can touch.
Oh, I can't touch it.
Got it, Serenity?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
You look like you're struggling. I know you could touch. You must have a rock.
No.
You got a rock?
No.
Let's see the rock.
I have a shirt.
Oh, you got a shirt.
Again. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, we was pretty busy this morning, guys. We didn't get a chance to do this morning. We have been cleaning out the loft and the tiny house, and also the original storage shed there at the cabin. We took everything out. Everything's still out of that one. It was full of stuff over the last year, just being piled in there because of limited storage. So we got it all out. We're gonna go through it, organize both of the new storage tents, because we got big projects starting probably in about 2 days. It'll take me about one more day to get the storage situation done, and then we're going to start on the tiny house and the loft area. So I needed to get everything situated, that way I know where all my tools are. And also I've bought stuff over the year for the projects and didn't know where all of it was, so I kind of need to put my eyes on it and get everything. That way I'm not buying everything 5 times for the same project. So that's what we've been working on today, but it ended up getting extremely hot. We stopped and I made everybody lunch, and we had ham sandwiches. The kids had peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, apples, a Slim Jim, and a popsicle. So yeah, that was a good lunch. The kids liked it. And then we continued working for a little while, and then it just got so hot, and we decided, you know what? Let's head down to the lake and cool off for about an hour. So that's what we did. I actually got to go live tonight here at 6 o'clock. So I'm not going to be able to stay here much longer. I got to go home and get ready for that. This probably won't come out until after the live, more than likely, or right before the live. So if you missed the live, go check it out. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be an active one, I'm sure. Pick up.
I'm not even close to Destiny. Hey, got it. Oh, I want to try. Can I try?
Serenity's holding Lissa.
Can I try? Everybody's running in the water. Can I try?
Let's walk out here. Try not to drop my phone.
I'm holding Daddy.
Don't scream.
Oh.
I'm holding Daddy.
Hey, it was so funny. I just called Addie Destiny.
That's funny.
Sweet.
Good job, Serenity.
Serenity, let me ask you something. How was your lunch?
Good.
How was your snacks?
Good.
Nice.
What about the snack after she came back home and got to your house and got more food?
Yeah. Talking about, do you have any hot dog buns? I had about 1 million, but for 4th of July, I took them over there for that. And I had the 4 flattened hot dog buns that I gave you.
Oh, guys, make sure you smash that like button and turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up. And don't forget, subscribe and give us a huge heart.
She's got that down pat. She's got that down pat.
Do it.
How was your lunch?
Or else.
How was your lunch?
Oh.
You're a little amped up. Jacob,
Because I had a
What do you have?
Lots of tiny rocks.
That's not a tiny rock. That rock.
Lots of tiny rocks.
That's a block. Ooh, let me get away from you. I value my toes. So how was y'all's lunch?
Good.
Good? What'd y'all think about those super-sized popsicles?
It was good. The white parts, the white one was my favorite.
Yeah. How about you? How was your lunch?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Last
Big
up.
popsicle?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, Addie's about to go airborne again. Boom! That was a good jump. Good jump.
I felt like I was in an elevator.
Jacob wants to do a backflip.
Uh-oh, we're going to do a backflip.
Oh no! Miss Lisa!
All right, hold on. Let me get the hair out of my face. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. All right, on 3, all right? 1.
Nice. That was a gainer. Little gainer action.
Jake, tell him you want to?
1, 2.
Whoa, another one.
That's mine.
Yeah, he brought them all back up here. I threw them all out there.
Let's get them out of the area.
We're trying to move them out further. That way the swimming area don't have a bunch of huge rocks in it.
Right.
There's definitely no shortage of rocks.
Go down. My nose hurts. I went in the water.
Go up your nose.
Lissa,
Yes.
how's your day been?
Good.
You got to come productive, very productive.
She edited a video twice.
Yeah, edit a video twice. Are you excited about Hazel coming to the mountain?
I'm super excited.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Lissa was up there moving stuff, smiling. Because she was thinking about Hazel coming.
Jacob, don't do that. You hit him too hard, son.
Be nice to your brother. He's carrying you right now like a mule. You got to take care of your mules.
Go this way. Go that way. Someone is holding me down.
Oh, let me see here. Flip it around. All right, now we're going to flip around. I'm going to ease my way back out of the water so I can put my phone down. Because this is risky business. Risky business. Yep. A little something different for you guys. Let's just kind of, oh, we got rocks everywhere. Big rocks. Oh, trying not to fall. I found all the big rocks. Decided to do something a little different with you guys today. Us unwinding a little bit after a long, hot work day. We've had a productive day. If I didn't have to go live tonight, then I would probably set up some lights and keep going because it's a pretty big project, reorganizing everything and getting everything settled. My thought process is to go ahead and get it done. Now that we got the storage and we had to move everything anyways, it's a good time to go ahead and do some spring cleaning and find out what all we got. And also make some room for all the new stuff that's going to be coming whenever Hazel and the kids get here. So that's what we've been up to. That's what we're going to be doing tomorrow too. And then hopefully we will have it all done and we can actually start framing some walls, putting insulation in, electric and stuff like that. Also supposed to have a propane hot water heater coming for the tiny house tomorrow. So I'll be able to finish up the plumbing and get the shower done properly and also get a new sink and everything and get that installed properly. But I think we're going to go ahead and call it, guys. We're going to make this one a short one. It's about 9 minutes. But and Addie said, make sure that you subscribe. But I hope y'all have a good day. Do something nice for somebody today, guys, and take another step closer to your goals. And until we see each other again, come on. Hey, keep it real.